Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you my failed wash and go. Well, it failed in my head. I just didn't like the shape, the definition, the shine, the moisture was there. I loved the product. It wasn't anything wrong with the product. I'm gonna use it again and probably use it over and over to do wash and goes, but I just wasn't feeling this shape, how my hair turned out after I stretched it. So I turned it into a puff and I loved the puff. So if you guys want to see how to save wash and go or braid out or twist out that you didn't like, just please continue watching. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So for this style, I'm using the hair milk that I normally use as my leave-in and the Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Jelly. So I'm just going to show you how I do this on a couple of sections and then I'm going to speed it up. But basically, I just put in my milk as my leave-in and then the Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Jelly as my styler, and I work that in, and that is it really. So if I have anything else to say, I'll come back to you guys. Also, the section of hair that I'm doing right now, this is the kinkiest part of my hair, so you guys can see how the jelly works on very kinky hair, and the other parts of my hair are not as kinky. It's still kinky but not as tight, so you guys will get an idea on how the control jelly works on different I guess you can say patterns. So this is how my hair is looking wet, and I loved it wet. Look at all the definition. Like, it is amazing. But when it dried, actually even when it dried, I still loved it. It was just the front. My hair is just shaped weird in the front, and it just wasn't working out. And then I just thought it got worse when I stretched the roots with the blow dryer and fluffed it out with the pick. And I actually had an appointment scheduled to shape my hair before this video, so it all worked out. And I'm gonna have new videos coming with me styling my hair. I actually have one coming up on Sunday, so stay tuned for that. With me styling my hair for the first time, I'm doing a twist out with a new product I haven't used before, so you guys tune in for that. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss that, and hit the notification bell. So this is how the hair is looking when it's dried. Before I stretch it with the blow dryer and fluff it with the pick, and the next clip you'll see is it's stretched and fluff, and you'll see on my face I do not like it at all. So I go ahead and put it into the puff, and that is what you guys will see next. As you can see here, I tried my best to play around with it, but nothing was working out. So that's how the puff came about. Nothing I did would help this look better shape wise. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope this helps you save a wash and go, a braid out, a twist out. Please let me know in the comments if you would have rocked this style or if you would have put it up in a puff. I really want to know if I was just like being extra. So let me know down below, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.